Their numbers are good, it seems. So that's good to know. Put this down so we can get at least one of these to check how much honey's in it. Well, there's not much honey in these ones, or this one at least, and this one, but they have been probably eating away at it. There's some honeycombs in this. That's good to know. There isn't a lot, but there is some. This is worth very important data. It's also December. As such, they're not making more very easily. Now we gotta take this one off, which should be oh boy, that's really tearing. Okay, that's good. Now I need to check. Okay, well, I think they're fine. They've got quite a good amount of sugar left. Don't think we need to worry about that specifically. Just flip this back over. Put this like this. Won't be perfect, but it will help. Put these back. Actually, need to check the other one as well. Shit. Now, let's check this one. The number of bees indicates that there should be plenty of brood, but just to double check, I say. This. Not falling. Okay, here's this queen excluder. Better do this quick. These things are on there. Good. Let's try. Can we get you up and out? slowly put back. We can tell that there's a lot of them, and I think that means we're fine. And we just have to put all this back. That one's fine now. This one. And I can go there. Okay, numbers, let's go. Gotta be quick about this. Don't know about that, but it's didn't seem many. That was the wrong one. Whoops, put that all on the wrong one. Just do it again. That's hive number 1. Time to move to hive number 2. Let's put this back, prevent it from getting blown over. Bees are most definitely in a frenzy a bit right now, just because we just popped open their hive. We'll need to hammer that one down in a few minutes. Okay, let's move on. Where's the hive tool? I should probably stop dropping things.